Welcome to Smart Tech Programming, and today I'm going to be installing Termux on system. Now to install Termux, you search for BlueStack using this https double dot slash slash www.bluestack.com/download.html. Then you choose the one for your system. Choose the one for your system. Then you download BlueStack. When BlueStack is download, open BlueStack. Open BlueStack. Then you open Play Store on the BlueStack. Then you search for Termux. Then when it is installed, you will open it. As you can see, I have installed Termux on I have installed Termux on Android, on system, on Windows. So the first time you download it, it will be it will be slow. It will be slow because you have not you have not enabled virtualization. So it's when you enable virtualization that the thing will be fast. The thing will be fast. So watch my next video to see how to enable visualization. Thanks for watching.